What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm making a video specifically on Panamorph, the DCR lens. Today, we're going to be looking at the DCR J1. We've made several videos in the past, even brought Chris Deering, our calibrator. He is known as the #1 calibrator in the country. He does all of our Lumigen Radiance Pros as well. If you guys purchase that product to do your auto scaling and calibration on the projectors, he's going to be the one to do it for you. But when you're getting into ultra wide cinescope products, you're wanting to do a true cinema, this is a product that you really want to consider, guys. The Anamorphic DCR lens, what it's going to do is sit right over the front of your projector. Regardless of the model that you choose, what it's going to do in a nutshell is increase pixel density as well as brightness. Whenever you're getting into HDR, which is really popular now, HDR is dominating all of our 4K content these days. You really want your home theater projector to be as bright as possible so that it doesn't get super dark. The Panamorph DCR lens is a must-have item, honestly, if you're going to be doing ultra wide anamorphic widescreen setups. That is kind of in a nutshell what it does. Chris, that home theater dude, has done in-depth walkthroughs and explanations, getting super technical on this product. So if you type Panamorph and Dreamedia into the YouTube, it is going to pull up those videos and you can watch those as well. But I just wanted to make a quick and dirty explanation of why you want this product. I always say that if you're not wanting to splurge for an RS3000, get the Panamorph DCR lens and throw it on an RS2000, which is what we're doing here, because it's going to perform very close, if not as good as an RS3000, which you guys know the 3000 has that 8K E-shift built in. So again, it's increasing pixel density to give you a sharper look, and it's also slightly brighter. So that's what this is doing here. I'm going to make in another video basically just putting the lens up and putting the lens down, because I always like to show here on this channel in reality side by sides or up and down as to if you can see the difference and if it's worth the money. Everybody's on our channel trying to get educated and do research on making an educated buying decision and seeing what you're going to want to do in your home theater. So that is our angle here at Dreamedia, is we're delivering that real content to you guys and giving honest opinions and getting hands on with these products, something that a lot of other companies aren't able to do. So subscribe to the channel, guys. We got a lot of great content coming, but I'm going to take this product out of the box real quick and just show it to you. And then again, I'm going to make a separate video showing it up and down so that you guys can see for yourselves that it does make a difference. All right, guys. Well, if you aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up.
Those baseboards aren't going to go on there. He's going to have to figure out another way to do that every way.
So then an inch in the inside.
Yeah, then he's going to go to the left.
Okay, so this is the lens itself, guys.
Because they could probably just end up putting like another thing on.
I'm bringing it up close so you can see it.
Or they could probably end up putting like a something cool. And put the projector camera inside. Or are we gonna have to rerun the light?
No, we'll just run it.
We bring cinema home. If you guys aren't doing ultra wide anamorphic, you do not need to worry about this. This is for my movie lovers. inside of the box, you're going to find an installation guide as well, where they show you exactly how to do it. Alright guys, I wanted to add, in addition to increase brightness and pixel density, just one other fast way to explain what this DCR lens does. So, whenever you buy a 4K projector and you're watching a movie, essentially you have the bars, top and bottom, right, that you're not even using. So what this does is it's using those extra pixels when you're in a 16:9 format, and it's smushing it down. That's why I use the phrase increased pixel density. It's utilizing all those extra pixels that normally are just black, top and bottom, so that it's using the full 240, all those pixels for the 240 image. I hope I did a good job of explaining that. I'm trying to put this in layman terms because every single time we get questions about this, nobody understands in our videos. So, utilizing all of the pixels and increasing brightness. Alright guys, that does conclude my quick unboxing of this product. Again, subscribe to the channel to check out the other videos about Panamorph and tons of other really exciting industry-leading products that we have available. If you guys would like to purchase, we ship throughout the entire nation. Utilize a free consultation service, guys, and if you don't want to DIY it, we got a PI network, preferred installers, guys that we uphold with 5-star service throughout the nation. Alright, well if you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.